ports and connectors are essential components in IT infrastructure, facilitating communication between devices and systems. Here's an overview of the most common ports and connectors used in the IT sector, categorized by their primary functions. These are used to connect devices in a network. Ethernet, RJ45, is the standard connector for wired network connections. Fiber optic connectors include SC, subscriber connector, which is a push-pull connector for high-speed data, LC, lucent connector, a smaller version of SC often used in data centers, and ST, straight tip, which is common in older fiber optic networks. PoE, power over Ethernet, supplies power and data over a single Ethernet cable. Universal serial bus ports are widely used for peripherals. USB-A is a common rectangular connector for various devices. USB-B is a squarish connector often used for printers and scanners. USB-C is a reversible connector for high-speed data and power delivery. Mini USB and micro USB are smaller versions for mobile devices and accessories. These connect audio-visual devices. HDMI, high-definition multimedia interface, is the standard for audio and video output. DisplayPort is similar to HDMI and is used for high-resolution video. VGA, Video Graphics Array, is an analog video connector for monitors. DVI, Digital Visual Interface, is a digital video interface for older monitors. The 3.5mm audio jack is for headphones and microphones, while optical audio, Toslink, is a digital audio connection using fiber optics. These deliver power to devices. C13 and C14 connectors are standard power connectors for computers and servers. DC barrel connectors are round connectors for laptops and smaller devices. USB PD, power delivery, provides power through USB-C ports. Used to connect storage devices, SATA, serial ATA, connects internal storage drives like HDDs and SSDs. eSATA, external SATA, is for external drives. Thunderbolt is a high-speed interface for data transfer and display connections. SD card slots are for memory cards used in cameras and mobile devices. These connect external devices and older hardware. PS/2 are round connectors for older keyboards and mice. Serial ports, RS-232, are used in older devices and industrial equipment. Parallel ports are for legacy printers and scanners. Critical in enterprise IT environments, KVM, keyboard, video, mouse ports are used to control multiple servers. SFP, small form factor pluggable, is a hot pluggable network interface for fiber optic or Ethernet cables. RJ48 is similar to RJ45, but used for T1 and E1 lines. For wireless devices and IoT integration, antenna connectors such as SMA and RPSMA are used. GPIO, General Purpose Input-Output, is for IoT and embedded systems. Each port and connector has a specific role, with advancements continually improving speed, functionality, and versatility in IT systems. Let me know if you need further clarification on any of these.